Are you gonna leave it right here? Okay. You want me to unhook you? You want me to unhook you or?
No, hold it.
Oh, and then I can pull you back forward, huh? Okay, go ahead. You wanna get close to that curb, huh?
Yeah.
Turn it around. Or turn it. Start turning it. Hold up. No, it's not. It just went back around. I can pull you forward whenever it's whenever you're close. You sure? Yeah. Okay. Turn more, no? Get close to that curb, or you don't want to stay that close.
No, I want to stay close to the curb.
Then that back tire's still kind of far out.
I want to close that down over there to...
Huh? Close over here? Right there, I think. That's cool? Okay. Put your e-brake on. Alright. Yo, what up, dog?
You need a walkie?
Walkie-talkie?
It goes with the glasses.
Let's see.
Have this thing. This is a camping truck.
What the hell? It's heavy. It's strong, bro.